When it comes to big screen home entertainment, LG's 100-inch laser TV is big news. So get ready for a truly amazing home theater experience. Unlike other projectors that have to be set up in the middle of a large room or suspended from the ceiling, the LG Laser TV is positioned just 22 inches from the lens to the screen, thanks to LG's ultra-short throw projection technology. This advanced laser-based illumination system brings you full HD 1080p resolution and brilliant picture quality, so anytime is a great time to sit back and be entertained. LG Laser TV is pretty impressive even before you turn it on. But the excitement gets real when you've got the LG Magic Remote in your hand. Press Power and Home, and you're instantly reminded that your Laser TV is also a very smart TV, bringing you the hottest movies, on-demand TV, Facebook and YouTube, games, the latest news, and more, bigger than you've ever experienced them before. LG Laser TV is the future of projection TV. The laser-based illumination system uses specialized lamps that can run for 25,000 hours without replacement. That's a lot of entertainment, but LG Laser TV with its 100-inch screen is also ideal for business and commercial use, for video conferencing and presentations and sporting events that really make an impression. Big is great. Brilliantly big? Now you're talking. It should be no surprise, a TV this unique also has its own custom stand. An available option, this elegant unit ensures that your laser projector and screen are positioned just so for maximum viewing impact and style to match. So let's get going. Assembling the console stand and screen support is pretty straightforward, and full instructions are included for easy setup. This video will focus on hanging the screen created especially for your laser TV, making sure that it's level and parallel to the wall. My first tip is one of the most important. Since your laser TV is the latest in LG advanced technology, careful installation is essential. That's why LG recommends that you turn to a pro for assistance. You're starting off right from the start. No matter who does the setup, getting familiar with the basic installation steps makes all the difference. Once the upright supports are in place, attach the supplied hanger rings to either the middle or top hole on each side. This will ensure that the bottom of your screen is approximately 16 inches from the top surface of the table, just where it should be. The lower holes right here are for handy devices known as space steels. These allow you to stack one or more magnets to keep your screen perfectly parallel to the wall. I recommend that you start out with 3 magnets on each side, and you can add or subtract later. Okay, this is where a little extra help really comes in handy. Align the hanging bracket on the back of the screen with the ring hangers, verifying that you have the up screen position and that the spacing of each bracket matches left and right. Once the screen is in place, carefully check that the screen is level and parallel to the wall, then make any necessary adjustments to the brackets or magnet spacers. Terrific! With its sleek custom stand, you know you're in for something special even before you turn on your TV. And now you're ready to align the projector with your mega-sized screen. As you might imagine, this important step gets a video all its own. The LG Laser TV features the first and only projector that operates just 22 inches from the lens to the screen. To get the most out of this unique design innovation called ultra-short throw, it's important to carefully position the projector. First step. Turn the unit upside down, place it on a protective surface, and install these 2 guide pins into the bottom of the projector. For precise distancing from the screen, screw the 2 connection rods into the easy bracket base and attach the spanning bracket. Then place flush against the wall. Once everything is in place, rest your projector unit on top of the easy bracket base and make sure the guide pins align properly. At this point, you'll want to connect all your attachment to the back of the projector, such as internet cable, any sound system, Blu-ray device, and IR blaster. Here's why. Once you have your projected image accurately positioned on the screen, you want to keep it that way, so avoid moving the laser projector whenever possible. Now, let's make sure the projected image lines up edge to edge with the screen. Press the power button on your Magic Remote and then the home button. You'll see the home screen, also called the dashboard, filled with the latest smart TV offerings from LG. This is as good a time as any to remind you not to touch the warm surface of the mirror window right here. And even though the projector features a thermal sensor that lowers light intensity when anything gets close to the lens, it's a good idea not to look straight into the light. Okay, now click the settings icon over here, then the option symbol toward the bottom, then edge adjustment and test pattern. The goal is to get all the green borders of the test pattern aligned with the screen, so you'll want to adjust each quadrant. Top left is a good place to start. Then click the arrows on your navigation wheel to adjust the height. See how it works? Move down to vertical, and notice how moving left and right gives you the proper setting. And then proceed to fine-tune the green boundary lines of the remaining quadrants. Another feature called Easy Bracket Adjustment lets you fine-tune the projected image even more by inserting this handy hex wrench into various holes on the Easy Bracket base and making small turns left and right as needed. Helpful details are in the owner's manual. When all the green lines of the test pattern are lined up with the edge of the screen, you're in business. The business of big-time entertainment. To get the most out of your LG Laser TV, including the full range of smart TV entertainment offerings, you'll need to connect to your home network, and that's pretty easy. Click the Home button on your remote right here, then the Settings icon on the bottom of the home screen. Then go down to the globe symbol, which puts you in Network. And now click Network Connection. This screen prompts you to select a wired or wireless network, and for most people, the choice will be wireless. Make your selection, then choose the name of your wireless network from the list, and enter your password with the help of your Magic Remote and the handy on-screen keyboard. And that's all it takes to experience all of the smart TV features on your LG Laser TV. Supersized for maximum enjoyment. To make your LG Laser TV a true sensory experience, you'll want to match its big picture brilliance with sound that's every bit as impressive. LG home theater systems are the perfect solution. No matter how elaborate your system, setup steps are pretty similar. And here's the most important tip to get you going. Be sure to connect your home theater system and any other attachments like internet cable and IR blaster to the back of your projector before you adjust how the projected image fills the screen. This will minimize the need for additional fine-tuning later. Okay, it's time to turn up the volume. First step, connect a high-speed HDMI cable from the HDMI out port on the back of the Blu-ray player into an HDMI port on the back of the projector. Most home theater systems don't include this cable, so be certain you have one before you begin your home theater connection. Another tip, be sure to power on your projector and home theater device. Great. Now press the Home button on your Magic Remote, then the Settings icon on the bottom of the home screen, then navigate to the Sound icon and press Enter. From here, make your way down to Sound Setting and press Enter. The first option is for ARC mode, which stands for Audio Return Channel, a clever connection link that transfers audio signals from your TV to a home theater receiver, and video signals from your Blu-ray to your TV, all through a single high-speed HDMI cable. Since your Laser TV and most new home theater systems support ARC, be sure to switch this setting to On. You'll most likely want to switch the projector's internal speaker to Off, and it's a good idea to keep digital sound out in Auto mode. Press Enter on your remote, and you're done with the TV setup. The external audio device's setup may also require the ARC feature to be enabled, so check the manual for your receiver or home theater system. To turn up the volume, use the remote control that comes with your home theater system, or turn a knob if there's one. Guess what? Your sensory joyride is about to begin. Just remember, seatbelts are not included. To enjoy your LG 100-inch Laser TV to the fullest, it's important to hang the screen with precision and to make sure your projector is adjusted and positioned just so for maximum viewing impact. My suggestion, since your laser TV is the latest in LG advanced technology, careful installation is essential. That's why LG recommends that you turn to a pro for assistance. But no matter who does the setup, getting familiar with the basic installation steps makes all the difference. First, you'll need a table or stand for your projector that's approximately 12 inches in height with a depth of at least 26 inches. The next step, hanging the 100-inch screen designed specifically for the laser projector. Okay, this is where a little extra help comes in handy. Get started by opening up the screen hanging template that's included. It shows you the exact spots for drilling holes for the hanging and spacing devices that are included. And it guides you in positioning the bottom of your screen approximately 16 inches from the top surface of your table or console with equal screen space left and right. Once the template is in place and perfectly level, you'll want to drill 4 holes where indicated. Next, remove the template and fold it carefully. You might just use it again someday. Now it's time to install the ring hangers on the 2 upper holes that serve as the main screen supports. Safety is always rule number 1, so it's a good idea to use expansion anchors or mollies when you're hanging the screen on a hollow sheetrock wall. Other wall construction, such as brick or concrete, may require another support device, so confirm what's best before you start. Put a screw through each ring hanger and attach to the wall. The 2 bottom holes are for handy devices known as space steels. These allow you to stack 1 or more magnets on top to ensure that your screen is perfectly parallel to the wall. Great, now you're ready to hang the screen. So make sure your assistant is close by. Align the hanging bracket on the back of the screen with the ring hangers, verifying that you have the up screen position and that the spacing of each bracket matches up left and right. Once the screen is in place, carefully check that the screen is level and parallel to the wall, then make any necessary adjustments to the brackets or magnet spacers. Terrific! You're a big step closer to the impact of LG Laser TV. And now you're ready to position the projector. No surprise, that gets a video all its own.